I think we're ready to think about writing real poems now. Woohoo! But wait, there's one more important ingredient you will need to write a poem. You need music, not the kind of music you sing. In a poem, music means a kind of flow and rhythm you get when you think about how you're writing your words on the page. Think about it. When you write a story or an informational book, you write in sentences and paragraphs, like I'm writing this lesson right now. When we write a poem, we write it differently. Poets give poems music by thinking about line breaks. Poets decide carefully where the words go on the page. You can learn to give your poems music by adding line breaks. Here's an example, right here. Little brown seeds so small and round are sleeping quietly underground. Down come the raindrops, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Out comes the rainbow, twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Little brown seeds way down below. Up through the earth they grow, grow, grow. Little green leaves come one by one. They hold up their heads and look at the sun. When I read that like it's a paragraph, there isn't much music to it. Now I'm going to read it with line breaks. Here. Little brown seeds so small and round are sleeping quietly underground. Down come the raindrops, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Out comes the rainbow, twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Little brown seeds way down below. Up through the earth they grow, grow, grow. Little green leaves come one by one. They hold up their heads and look at the sun. Now that sounds like a poem. By adding breaks after each phrase, the poet tells us where to pause. That makes the poem sound so much more musical. Now you try. Look at the notes you've taken yesterday and the day before. Make a poem from your notes and ideas. Remember to use line breaks to add music. Then ask your grown-up to snap a picture and send it to your teacher via Class Dojo. Coolio!